Hey, good evening everyone. Apologies for the lack of videos at the moment. I'm basically just on the weekend in the garage, and it's basically just working on the Evo right now because that thing, we need to get it done because my friend wants to use it. So for the repo, it's still waiting to get soundblasted. That hasn't changed yet. I basically just wanted to apologize quickly for the amount of time lapses at the moment, because all the work we are doing right now is literally just preparing things. As in this video, what you will see is that we just kept removing the white wrap on the car, so it's back to yellow, so we can actually prepare it for painting, as we are going to paint it white with some mint accents. And of course, there's some work that is happening throughout the week where I'm not there, and my dear friends, they can't operate the GoPro, so they can't film it, or they forget it rather. So yeah, that's why there's a bit of a patchy progress. What I can say for the Evolution, it's basically, it looks pretty much the same. It's just underneath they're removing the two bars, the big bars that are holding the whole chassis together. And yeah, so the content will continue as is for the moment until the repo cap comes back. I hope I can get it blasted throughout March. So the plan from my side at least would be that with the Easter extended weekend here in Switzerland, that I can go back and work on the repo. That's basically my plan. But again, since I'm not a panel beater guy, that's more my friend. We basically need to see that he gets his shit done, so he can also help me work on my shit again. That's the situation. So I'm gonna keep it short here. The video will in general also be quite short. Once again, apologies for that. But I still wish you a lot of fun, a successful week ahead of you, and I hope to see you guys soon again with some fresh content. All right, enjoy. Hey, good evening everyone. Hope you're all doing very well. We're back in the garage and we're still trying to figure out how much of a shitbox this shitbox is. But you can see it's now back to yellow, so the original color. That's what you're going to see in the time lapse. So first of all, I'm very sorry for all the time lapse at the moment. It's just all this kind of work, which takes forever and doesn't really show a lot of things, so I'll just let it run as a time lapse. There will be other opportunities again to be more interactive videos, but basically just to show you on what we did today. We removed everything. So the car interior is stripped, exterior is stripped. Basically the idea is, or my colleague's idea is, to paint it white and just the wheels There's a couple things in mint blue. So we anyway had to remove the white wrap, and yeah, like some of the parts, they will be painted already. Yeah, so as you can see, we found quite a bit more rust here. The fancy thing is, even alloy can rust, as you can see. So what's the answer to our question? Is it a shitbox? It's even more of a shitbox than we thought. So yeah, everyone is tired. Look at the inside, as you can see, it's completely stripped now. Why? Because we need to cut. So if you look here, look in here, it's going where the cuts are going to be, in order to put in all the bars and everything on the bottom. So yeah, a lot of stuff happened today. Hi, Dino. Yeah, so we're going to wrap this up for the day today. It's been a long day. It's now what, 11 o'clock? Something like that. Yeah, so they are going to cut up the first parts tomorrow. I'll likely not be around. I have to do a couple other things. As for the repo, you can see it's still behind me, but we just need to find a slot where we can bring it over to the guy that is doing the blasting. And yeah, as soon as it's back, and as soon as this shitbox has the panels repaired, we will continue with my shitbox and repair the panels there. Alright guys, I wish you all a very nice evening, a good weekend, and I'll likely be back next week. Alright, I'm out everyone, take care, bye bye.